Hello everyone and welcome back. Hope you guys doing great. Today in this video I'm going to show you that how we are going to share a folder inside our Windows using command prompt. So we already made a video that how we are going to share a folder using computer management console, but we didn't use the command prompt to share a folder. So I'm going to show you that how we are going to share a folder and also how we are going to delete a sharing and how we are going to remove the sharing from a folder. So we are also going to show you that how we are going to hide share inside your Windows as well. So let me just click on this start menu. So here I'm going to type this cmd. So I'm going to run this as administrator. So the first command that here we need to type is this net share. So if we want to list all our share files and folders, so we need to run this net share command. So here as you can see, it's going to list me this C drive and this data. This is all these files and folders and drives that's already shared in my PC. So we have three types of sharing. One is default sharing, so this is one of the default sharing, and the second is we have this hide share, which is with $sign, and we have this normal sharing. So here first I'm going to share a folder, then we're going to do it a hide share, and also we're going to access that as well. So here first we're going to type this net share, and after we're going to type this net share, so we're going to type the share name. So the share name is going to be this folder, and this is going to be a normal sharing. So we're going to only do a normal sharing on this folder. So we're going to give it equal, and here we need to type the path that you want to share the specific path folder. So we want to go with this C drive on the desktop, so we want to share only this folder 2. So here as you can see we have this folder 2, so I want to share this. So let me just remove this space from here as well. So I'm going to hit, I think we missed this 2, so we're going to add this 2, so hit enter. So as you can see, folder was shared successfully. So if I want to access this, so before we're going to access that, let me just type this net share. So as you can see, it's going to show me this share name is folder, and here is the path for the resource or folder that we shared. So here if I want to access that, so simple, I'm going to type this ipconfig, so I can access or see my IP. So then I can just type it here. So we are going to type it on run and hit enter. So now as you can see, we access this folder. So now if I want to remove the sharing so from this folder, so what I'm going to type is that I'm going to type this net share, and we are going to add this slash delete, and after that I'm going to type this folder 2. Folder 2, if you're going to type this, let me just before we're going to use that, let me just type net share. So here I'm going to just type net share, and after that forward delete, and here we are going to type this folder. So as you can see, the folder was deleted successfully. So here what we are going to do is that I'm going to type this net share again. So as you can see, we can't access the same folder again because we removed the sharing from that folder. So let me just type here. So here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type this net share, and I want to do it this time hidely. I want to share my files or folder to be hide. So here I'm going to type this net share, or we can just use this arrow keys to bring this command. So here I'm going to add this $sign here, so I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, the folder with this $sign was shared successfully. So if I'm going to type this net share, as you can see, it's going to show you this file folder which is here with this path. But if I want to access that, so here I'm going to access, as you can see, this is hide share. I can't access to that folder, but if I want to access that, so I need to add this backslash, and here you have to type this folder with the $sign. So if I'm going to hit enter, as you can see now I can access to this sharing folder, which we already use this command prompt to share it from here. So this is how we use these commands to share our folders or files from our Windows PC using command prompt. So hope you guys enjoy this video and you learn how to share your folder across your network from your Windows PC. So if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys in the next video.